Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. If you're just hearing my voice for the first time, you're absolutely welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you. Guys, we prepared this yummy sauce with everything I had in my fridge. Guys, let me introduce you to how I prepared this meal. Your one stop shouldn't be your last, so make sure you subscribe, like, share. I placed the pan on fire, then I went to my vegetable oil. Next up, I went to my well-seasoned beef. Then I stirred everything to combine. Guys, fun fact, I didn't plan to film. On this day, I wanted to just prepare something for us to eat and I didn't have the strength to go out. And I said to just prepare this sauce and I said let me film it for reference purpose. After some few minutes, I checked on this meat and it's pretty doing well. Just stirred again. Guys, I seen that mommy's meat. Yes, I covered again to allow it fry well. Voila, it's good. And let's start the cooking process in full. I went in with some onions, next up I went in with garlic and ginger paste. Guys, I love garlic and ginger. If you're like me, please just say hello in the comment section because this elevates any meal to 100. Next up I went in with my sausages. I will leave the list of everything I use in the description box. Next up, fresh pepper. Then my green sauce, and I stirred everything to combine so that they will understand the assignment. You guys know now, they need to understand the assignment. Why won't they? Come on, understand it. I went to my green peas, and I stirred everything to combine. Next up, I went in with my carrot and runner beans. For me, I add vegetable with how I know they can withstand heat. I know green peas, the Nigerian one, can withstand a lot of heat. It won't get soggy. Then these two veggies. That's why you see me adding my vegetables in batch. I don't just add them at once. I just stirred everything to combine, tested for salt and it was not enough, so I went in with extra seasoning cube. Guys, I'm using the Maggi Ninja pot and the normal Maggi. Guys, you need to try these two seasoning cube out. Makes a difference in your meal though. Then I went in with extra thyme and curry. If you watch up until this time and you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, let me speak my language. Beilue, Beilue. Please subscribe. Biko ejo, eba me subscribe to channel ejo. Guys, I'm not speaking everything I understand. I went to my corn flour melted in water. I like my sauce thick, so I want to take it gradually. So I stirred everything together. Then I went in with my spring onions and green pepper. Like I said earlier, I like adding my veggies in batches because I don't want the one that cannot withstand heat to enter first, so that everything remains very fresh and green. I went to a little bit of water to loosen it up a little bit, and I stirred everything. Guys, the aroma in your kitchen at this point should be on another level. The level is not here. I went to my soy sauce, then I went to my oyster sauce. Let's add oyibo to this meal now. You understand what I'm talking about? Guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Let's get this channel to 1K before the end of this year. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Are you hearing po 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 po? Kai!